Funners, it's your boy The Craft, and I'm back with another dope episode. In this episode, it's lipos versus lithium ions. These batteries are totally different. Well, not fully different, but they're totally different in terms of the goals that you're trying to achieve as a drone pilot. A cinematic drone pilot would use a different type of battery set as compared to a drone racer. So as an FPV pilot, you need to make the right decision so you can get that proper flight and you are able to do those proper flight maneuvers, and hence why I am recording this episode today, so I can help you make the right purchasing decision. So if you're still around, please like and subscribe, hit that comment section, and give your advice as to whether whatever advice that you have, just drop it down below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get to it. Like I said in the intro, this episode is based off lipos versus lithium ions. Both have their own different benefits, and I'm gonna list them today. Very short one, so let's cook. Lipos have a higher acceleration rate. So what do I mean by this? When you push up that throttle, a lipo battery will not fail on you. It will literally give you what you want. So lipos, that's point number one. Lipos have a higher acceleration rate as compared to lithium ions. Point number two, lipos are generally lightweight compared to lithium ions in terms of the size, and also they lightweight in comparison to usually lightweight compared to lithium ions. And you'll see the comparison that I have in terms of their sizes, in terms of their weights. And lipos are generally lightweight. Lipos are also generally less pricey than a lithium ion in terms of your value comparison. So a lithium ion that's 4,000 milliamps as compared to a lipo that's 1.3 milliamps would give you the same amount of flight time or similar flight times, but a lithium ion is usually bigger and more expensive than a lipo. Then another point that I need to bring out is that lipos are great for freestyle pilots because of the amount of acceleration that you can get out of them, and also considering the lightweightness. You don't want your drone to be too heavy, you don't want it to be too overweight, especially when you're doing power loops and you're doing all these funny tricks. If you're a freestyle pilot or if you're a racing pilot, a lipo is the best battery pack for you. Don't purchase a lithium ion because that don't work for you. Then with lithium ions, lithium ion batteries are usually great for long range flights. So if you want to go great distances, if you want to go on a mountain, you want to do a huge or a long distance flight, you would get a lithium ion battery. They last longer, greater flight times, and they're great for long range flights. So let's just put it that way. Lithium ions, also point number two, is that lithium ions are great for cinematic shots. So with cinematic shots, you don't want to do all those hesitant moves, you don't want to move too jittery or get lost of the throttle. So because of its acceleration rate, which is lower than lipos, and you generally, because of the weight, it's easier to get those smoother cinematic shots. If you're chasing a subject, if you're trying to rotate around a subject, these batteries are best for you. So there you have it, guys. That's the end of the episode. Those are the benefits that I could list in terms of lipos in comparison to lithium ions.